I came across such an interesting story. I thought आप सबके साथ शेयर करना तो बनता है. ये स्टोरी है 1959 की. It is about a group of 9 hikers who were trying to traverse. एक expedition पे गए थे वो, about 190 miles long expedition in the Ural Mountains of Siberia. पर उनका expedition कभी complete नहीं हुआ and it became one of the most enduring mysteries of, let's say, human history. Hi, my name is Shayan और ये है Real नहीं रियल. इस इंसिडेंट को द ड्याटलॉव पास इंसिडेंट कहते हैं. अगर मैं छोटे में बताऊं तो ये हुआ था कि ग्रुप ऑफ 9 हाइकर्स started an expedition where they had to go through some treacherous snowy mountains, but they were experienced hikers and they were being led by a guy called Dyatlov. The expedition started off normally, सब कुछ ठीक था, the group was harmonious, they clicked pictures of them smiling, of them trekking, and after a while as they were trekking, they kind of lost their way due to inclement weather. They were supposed to rendezvous with some people at one point after some 3 weeks at the start of the expedition, और जब वो नहीं हुआ, that was when the first alarm bell started ringing कि ये क्या है, ये कहाँ पर है, but they were a group of experienced hikers, तो immediately किसी rescue team को नहीं भेजा गया. जब काफी वक्त बीत गया, तब रशियन अथॉरिटीज ने रेस्क्यू टीम्स को लॉन्च किया ये पता करने कि ये जो ग्रुप ऑफ 9 हाइकर्स थी ये गई कहां. The first weird thing was the location where the camp was set up. It was set up on the base of a mountain which the locals call the Dead Mountain, where they would be exposed to temperatures minus 40 degrees centigrade. They would be open to avalanches coming in. एक group of experienced hikers के लिए वहां पर एक कैंप सेट करना बहुत ही weird था. Second, सबसे weird क्या था? The rescuers saw that the camp had been torn open from inside and a group of people stepped out of the camp. They could follow their foot trail और वो foot trail में सबसे अजीब चीज ये देखते हैं that in temperatures which again as I said minus 40 degree के आसपास हो, a lot of these campers who came out of that camp were barefoot या कोई एक शू पहनकर वहां से निकला था. और कैंप पे बहुत सारी चीजें वैसी की वैसी ही रखी हुई थी जैसा कैंप सेट करते टाइम आप सजा कर रखते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही वियर्ड था. As the rescuers went into the forests, they found 5 bodies. और इन 5 bodies बहुत ही अजीब अवस्था में मिली. While some died from hypothermia, a couple of other bodies had fracture marks on their head, at their chest. There was no external injury, but अंदर से उनको बहुत चोटें पहुंची थी before they passed away. Rescuers को पहले तो सिर्फ 5 bodies मिली थी out of the 9 people. A few months down, when the snow melted, they again went out on a rescue mission to locate the other 4 bodies. And जो आखिरी में 4 बॉडी मिली थी, that deepened the mystery and made it into an urban legend that it is today. जब ये 4 मिसिंग हाइकर्स की बॉडी उनको फाइनली मिली, उनको देखा कि एक तो ये सारे हाइकर्स एक दूसरे के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, इनके शूज मिसमैच हैं, किसी की आंखें मिसिंग हैं, किसी का स्कल फ्रैक्चर हुआ पड़ा है, एक हाइकर की तो टंग मिसिंग थी. अब जाहिर सी बात है कि ऐसे कॉर्प्सेस मिलेंगे हाइकर्स के तो शोर शराबा तो होगा ही. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अबाउट दिस इंसिडेंट कि इन हाइकर्स को आखिर हुआ क्या. द रशियन गवर्नमेंट, टिपिकल रशियन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ दोज डेज, दे डिड एन इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड वेरी सून दे क्लोज्ड डाउन द केस. दे सेड कि द हाइकर्स हैड डाइड either due to their own incapability or due to some natural reasons. In 2019, the Russian government reopened this case. But even then, after some investigation, they concluded that all these hikers died due to some natural cause. The official theory is the hikers were in the tent, उनको एक एवलांच की आवाज सुनाई दी तो वो टेंट से निकल गए. निकलने के बाद उनको हाइपोथर्मिया हुआ और हाइपोथर्मिया में इंसान अजीबोगरीब एक्ट करता है. एंड इट हैज आल्सो बीन कंक्लूडेड इन द ऑफिशियल वर्जन दैट ऑल द हाइकर्स डिड नॉट डाई एट द सेम टाइम. So they died at different times. So one person would die and the others would put on their clothes, and then the other person would die, then somebody else would put on their clothes. So they died at different times, which is why their bodies were found at different places. But what makes this Dyatlov Pass incident assume such legendary proportions is because none of the official versions actually tell you कि हाइकर्स की आंखें कैसे मिस हो सकती है, एक हाइकर का टंग कैसे मिस हो सकता है, उनके साथ आखिर क्या हुआ. आज तक इसका पक्का एक्सप्लेनेशन किसी ने नहीं दिया. आपको क्या लगता है डैटलॉव पास इंसिडेंट में उन हाइकर्स के साथ क्या हुआ होगा? Did an animal attack them? Was it UFOs or aliens? Or was it an animal जिसके एग्जिस्टेंस का कोई पुख्ता सबूत नहीं है, but it is an urban legend? This is the Dyatlov Pass incident. If Bollywood ever decides to make a movie on the Dyatlov Pass incident, I would be the first person to purchase tickets because this is such an interesting and mysterious story. And I think they should not feature some established actors. They should feature a group of OTT actors जो काफी उम्दा काम करते हैं, because that will bring out the essence of the story. इस कहानी के बारे में आपको क्या लगा? क्या सच है, क्या झूठ है? Is the official explanation the one that you truly believe? Let us know in the comments down below. This is Shine, and this was this week's Real Nahi Real. I'll see you next week with another episode. Till then, see you. Bye.
Fever FM. Happening.